Kohl's employee login. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Kohl is an American department store retail chain operated by Kohl's Corporation. It is the largest department store chain in the United States with 1158 locations operating stores. In order to log into Kohl's employee login, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for kohl.okta.com. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and enter your username and your password in the respective text boxes. If you want the device to remember your login details, then tap on the Keep Me Signed In checkbox and finally tap on the Sign In option. Also, just in case if you have forgotten your password, you can always tap on the Forgot Password option and recover your login details. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.